Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Knex is probably one of the most versatile and engaging construction toys available today, offering endless possibilities for creative building and imaginative play for children and adults alike. Whether you're constructing towering roller coasters, intricate vehicles, or fantastical creatures, Knex provides a unique and satisfying building experience that encourages problem solving, spatial reasoning, and fine motor skill development. Its interlocking rod and connector system allows for a wide range of structural designs, making it a fantastic tool for both educational purposes and pure, unadulterated fun. Number 5. FNJO 100 PCS Magnetic Tiles Building Blocks. Discover a world of imagination with our 100-piece magnetic building set. It includes various shapes and bases, perfect for creating anything you can dream up. Designed with safety in mind, these sturdy tiles feature strong magnets and smooth, rounded edges. They are built to last for countless hours of play. Boost your child's development with these engaging blocks. They help improve construction skills, color recognition, and spatial thinking through creative building. Encourage collaboration and fun with this versatile set. It's ideal for family bonding, daycare, and classroom activities, offering an alternative to screen time. Looking for the perfect present? This magnetic construction toy provides hours of educational entertainment, making it a hit for birthdays and holidays. Expand your building possibilities. These tiles are compatible with other same-size magnetic tiles and come with an idea book to spark inspiration. What we like. This set offers a vast collection of magnetic tiles for endless building possibilities. It's compatible with other brands, expanding your collection. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter set with inspiration included, this is a fantastic choice for young builders. What people say. The pieces are smooth and well-made, fitting together easily. The set includes a good variety of pieces, allowing for many different building possibilities. Instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger builders. Number 4. Toylogy Magnetic Blocks Mine World Craft Kits. Enter a world of adventure and treasure with these magnetic blocks. Use your creativity to explore and conquer the mine, with endless possibilities for fun and challenging constructions. These building toys combine UV technology and magnetism to make your creations more vivid and realistic. Play as a warrior, build a mine sword, and engage in thrilling pretend play. Designed for toddlers, these magnetic cubes are easy to stick together and build sturdy structures. They are safe with rounded edges and the right size for little ones. These sensory toys help children learn about magnetic properties and experiment with attraction and repulsion. They are perfect for developing creativity, spatial awareness, and problem-solving skills. Watch the joy on your child's face when they unwrap this amazing gift. It's an excellent present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for boys and girls aged 3 to 8. Unlike other blocks, these feature 8 magnets for more building freedom and are compatible with other 1-inch blocks. Let your imagination run wild and build anything you can dream of. What we like. Dive into an adventurous, mine world with these magnetic blocks featuring enhanced 8-magnet strength for sturdier builds. The unique UV technology brings vibrant, realistic patterns to your creations. If you enjoy themed play and want more robust constructions, this is the set for you. What people say. The pieces are sturdy and connect well, allowing for stable structures. It's great for developing fine motor skills and spatial reasoning in children. The variety of pieces included in the set offers many building possibilities. Number 3. Tsomtto 10-in-1 STEM Building Toy Kit. Unleash creativity with this versatile building set. It offers 10 different models to construct, providing hours of engaging fun. This hands-on toy fosters imagination and enhances crucial science, technology, engineering, and math skills. It's a perfect way to learn through play. Encourage teamwork and bonding as you and your children build together. It's a great way to develop problem-solving and collaboration skills. Designed with safety in mind, these colorful blocks are non-toxic and easy to clean. The included storage box makes cleanup a breeze. Looking for a unique gift? This STEM kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, sparking an early interest in STEM subjects. With 167 pieces and a step-by-step guide, the possibilities are endless. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational adventure. What we like. This kit provides incredible versatility, allowing you to build 10 different models from a single set of 167 pieces. With a helpful guide, it's perfect for fostering engineering skills. If you want a toy that offers multiple building challenges and encourages problem solving, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Knex design is very intuitive and easy to assemble, allowing for quick setup and play. The pieces are durable and well-made, ensuring long-lasting fun and creative building possibilities. Knex offers a wide variety of building options, encouraging imaginative play and problem-solving skills. Number 2. Opmind 5-in-1 STEM RC Robot Building Kit. Introducing the Opmind 5-in-1 STEM RC Robot Building Kit. It's more than just a toy, it's a gateway to endless building possibilities. This versatile kit allows you to build 5 different models, including a robot, racing tank, and tracked cars. Its flexible components spark imagination and enhance assembly skills. Take command with the intuitive remote control, enabling movement in all directions and exciting 360-degree stunts. Enjoy a controlled distance of over 20 meters. Unlock advanced control with the dedicated app via Bluetooth. Explore driving, path, gravity sensor, and programming modes for a truly flexible and engaging experience. This STEM learning toy fosters hand-eye coordination, problem-solving skills, and creativity. It encourages children to learn and grow away from screens. Looking for an ideal gift? This building kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays, offering hours of fun and educational play for kids ages 8 to 13. What we like. Experience advanced play with this robot kit that transforms into 5 different models and offers both remote and app control. The app includes programming modes for a deeper STEM learning experience. If you're looking for an interactive and technologically advanced building toy that introduces coding concepts, this is the one. What people say. The pieces are sturdy and connect well. It's a great way to encourage creativity and problem-solving skills. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 1. Opmind 5-in-1 STEM RC Robot Building Kit. Discover the Opmind 5-in-1 STEM RC Robot Building Kit, a versatile toy with 419 pieces. Kids can build 5 unique models, fostering creativity and hours of entertainment. Take control with the feature-rich app, offering 360 degrees movement and exciting educational modes like AI programming. It's an engaging way to learn STEM and stay active. Experience strong power with its high-quality motor system. This building kit is also compatible with major brands, offering endless expandability and playability. Crafted from safe, high-quality ABS material, this robotics kit is ASTM and CPSIA certified. You can trust its non-toxic and odorless design for worry-free play. Looking for the ideal gift? This educational STEM set is perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. It's a fantastic way to encourage learning and family fun. With this kit, children can build amazing robots, control them via a smart app, and explore programming concepts. It's an exciting introduction to the world of engineering. What we like. This impressive building set lets you construct 5 unique models, all controllable via a feature-rich app with advanced functions like AI programming. Its powerful motor system ensures great performance. If you desire a sophisticated robotics experience with extensive app control and a focus on advanced STEM learning, this kit is ideal. What people say. The pieces are large and easy for little hands to grasp and connect. It's a great way to encourage creativity and problem-solving skills. The set includes a variety of pieces that allow for building many different structures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.